Oh yeah, check it out. This Cadillac right here. This Fleetwood with an LT1 in it. It's got the C and D horns. Yeah, I'm about to be coming through sounding like a train. For sure. Shout out, another piece, another car to my car. My car is the one. Definitely want a D and I wanted a C, so I guess we'll see. So got my inverter, whatever, switching power supply. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I use it to power everything. And then so I already got the ground hooked up, so I'm just gonna hit it. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Let me see. Turn that off. Let's put this ground on the other one. I mean, you might want to do a better job than me, but I'm just trying to do the job real quick. So yeah, I did just tie that around there like that. Alright, this one is I don't know, it says C, but B, C, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna look up the number on it, but we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, the C note is got a longer arm on it than the D note. If you're working with Caprice and you're already just gonna use your F and your A. So the C, I mean the D fits pretty good in spots that look like they might have been for horns, just factory. But this one, I had to bend this little tab out of the way. This was going up, like that one is. It was going up, and then I bent this, bent it. It was more straight. That was way straight. Now I bent it so it's not gonna hit my grill or my front. And I'm just gonna use that one right there. And I don't have the tab or anything for it, but that's okay. So there, I need to tighten them up, but then I can hook up the wire. It should be pretty easy, as long as it can still stretch, and I believe it can. We'll figure that out next. Might have to pull that in closer, but I think that should work. Alright, I got the C and the D horns hooked up right here. They're hooked up through the stock connector. And then I ran the wire here, and I just put it in the back there, you know. I don't even have it hooked up. Just like that. Just to test if it works. I mean, I still don't have a horn button or actual way to hit the horn on my car, so this will definitely be good enough for now. I'll probably just like, I was gonna go in on one of the wires on the side there, but why? If I could just do that like that, I'll just put some type of connector on it later, or some electrical tape. But now I got 4 horns hooked up. This is how I'm gonna hit the button right here. Hopefully we can hit it. That sounds like a fucking Cadillac to me. That's what I'm talking about. Do you guys hear that? I think that works. Dang, like an old Cadillac. Well, those are my noises for the 4th of July here. I don't have any fireworks, but I got old American car sounds. So yeah, that's the 4-note setup. The A, C, D, and F. And the stock on the Caprice is the A and the F. And these two came off a Cadillac, and you can get them on Roadmasters and old school Cadillacs, and there's a few cars out there that have them. So yeah, I just got those from Pick and Pull, and man, I'm good to go. Now I just need a horn button. All right, cool. Peace.